Hello everybody, JT Solutions here. We are working on a 2008 Jeep Liberty. This car got brought in to inspect all brakes, and we found the rear brake pads to the warning marks. So we are going to replace the rear pads on this one. First thing we gotta do is remove the tire, and on most vehicles like this the lug nuts are 3/4, just so you know. Here's the caliper, and you actually can see how close that pad, the metal part, is to the rotor, so that's why we're gonna replace them. Okay, here's the caliper. And next thing we're gonna do is remove this bolts right here, one here and one up here, and it's a 1/2 inch wrench, or you can use a 13mm. So I'm gonna remove this too, and then remove the caliper, and then we'll go to the next step. I forgot to mention, on these calipers, you can see this bolt, if you try to turn it off, it spins, so you have to grab it from the inside. And what I normally use to do that is just a set of pliers. Grab it right there, and then you can turn the bolt off. So I'm gonna do that. Here we removed the upper bolt on this caliper, and all we did is, see, it was like that. When you remove this bolt, you can just move it out this way, and I also remove the brake pads. And you can do this if you don't have to change this bushings right here. Then that's all you got to do. Just remove the upper bolt and slide that caliper down. And now we're gonna replace the brake pads. I already changed these clips. I think most of the brake sets come with new hardware, those things right there. So replace them. Let's install the new brake pads now. Here I got the two new brake pads, and as you can see, they are different. This one got the wear indicator and this one don't. So this one with the wear indicator goes in the inside, and this one is the outside one. Okay, let's install them. Here I got them installed. And next thing we're gonna do is push the caliper cylinder in. Remember this tool? This is the tool that we're gonna use to push that cylinder, the caliper cylinder, all the way in. As I mentioned in a different video, you can actually use some pliers to do this too. Here is the caliper cylinder all the way in, and now what we gotta do is just grab the caliper and just slide it in. See, it's hitting the top of this bolt. All you gotta do is push it in and slide the caliper all the way in. And the next and last thing is to install the bolt back right here, and you're gonna do the same procedure. If it's turning like it is now, all you gotta do is just hold it with something else and tie the bolt, and that's it. A brake job on a 2008 Jeep Liberty. It probably takes about 10 minutes to do the whole process. So this one definitely, it's a lot easier than some others. This one you can do yourself. This is it for this time. Next thing I gotta do is install the tire, and that's it. We'll see you next time.